I'm
about to go MC hit my nigga. Let you know what I don't trust, nigga. Coming straight up out the age, bitch. So why the fuck would I fuck with you? I can't even get enough of it. I'm prepping niggas like an agency. I don't even gotta think about it. I'm killing you rappers from A to Z. Who want the smoke cause I got it. None of you niggas is poppin'. I'm coming for everything, bitch. I got too much money to put in the wallet. I'm arrogant, bitch. I ain't sharing this shit. So why you wanna come and play with me? If you ain't talking about no bag, bitch, then what the fuck is you saying to me? It's about to be trash, so come get a plate or come take a seat with me. The fuck is your problem? You niggas is grilling me. You got some beef with me? Fuck all you rap niggas. None of you niggas compete with me. And fuck all you DJs. If you ain't spinning my music repeatedly. You thought I was a joke, nigga? You thought I was a hoe, nigga? I pull up on your block, skirt, need everything. You a hoe, nigga? The crack house was a profit. Yeah, nigga, yeah, I got it. I'm the nigga with the hoodie on. Every time you see me, I pop it. Fuck is you talking about? Spinning the block, everything gone. Niggas is mad. I'm putting they bitch right in the soul. I got a demon right inside of me. No, I can't get it out of me. I'm a motherfucking legend. Yeah, bitch, I'm a prodigy. Kid, I right up on the side of me. You went right there on the left. I was raised up in these streets. Niggas know I'm not a vet. Yeah, bitch, I got a pack on me. Anything, what you need. The feds tryna trace my line, nigga. But I gotta get the breeze. My moms need a new crib. My niggas need a new piece. Every time you see me, nigga, gotta get the YB times 3. YB times 3. Every time you see me, nigga, gotta get the YB times 3. Niggas be down me. I'm representing the hood. Billz, bitch, you know my name. Everywhere I go, I'm good. Yeah, bitch, everywhere I'm going good. So I had to bust a jug. Down, nigga, for